Let's say your mortgage is $1,500 a month. If you pay it 10-15 days early, and you add even $5,100 extra toward principal, you can cut 5 to 8 years off your mortgage, save $30,000, $60,000 in interest, build equity faster, pay off your home early without changing your lifestyle. This is how homeowners quietly beat the system. When you make an early payment, you must select apply to principal only or principal reduction. If you don't, the lender may treat it as an early payment for next month, and you lose the benefit. Here's how to do it with most lenders. Log into your mortgage portal, choose Make a Payment. Select Principal Only or Additional Principal. Pay 10-15 days early, automated if possible. That's it, no refinance, no credit check, no penalty. If you want to take it even further, switch to bi-weekly payments. You'll make 26 half payments a year, which equals 1 extra full payment without feeling it. This alone can shave 4 to 6 years off your mortgage. Check with your lender first, some charge fees, or self-schedule through bill pay to avoid them. Either way, that extra payment hits principal and accelerates your payoff. This is one of the simplest ways to build wealth, pay off your home early, and save tens of thousands in interest, without penalties and without changing your lifestyle. If you want more financial hacks like this, subscribe to the channel and join the Hill and Levy Financial Network. Start today.